What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. You've seen this already. Let's do a quick flashback to last week or a couple of weeks ago whenever I decided to post this video. So yeah, make sure to like the video. 100 likes, I will buy the rest. I will buy the S, the X, and the 3 in one go. So after that video was posted, my buddy Tesla Talks, Dax, he started a campaign. He posted it on Twitter, I believe on Facebook as well. You can see it here. This is what he posted, and it started gaining traction. So within the first 4 hours of him starting his whole "go like my Tesla semi" video, the YouTube video already had 80 likes. So it picked up really quickly. When I hit 80, I already started placing my order. The video surpassed 100. The time I woke up in the morning, my order was already placed. So Tesla did ship me out this big box. We're going to look at it. But real quick, I wasn't really thinking it through. I didn't know how they'd ship it. So you can see the boxes here. They came in smaller boxes. This one's pretty big. So I wasn't sure how they'd ship it, if it was 3 individual ones or one big box as what we see. So shout out to the Tesla employee who was probably watching my video and getting the big box ready to go for the Model S, the X, and the 3. They all are in all their glory. We have the Model S, the 3, the X, the Roadster, and the Semi. This is the whole set. I can't wait for the Model Y, and of course the Cybertruck. Let's start looking at them one at a time. Alright, so we're starting off with the Model S, and as soon as you open it, we are greeted with the card once again. So they always give you these, which are cool. We'll put that off on the side. And here it is. Ooh, this one's cool. The others didn't have this. Is this attached to the car, maybe? It is definitely like a small little extra that they give you. So here is the Model S. And they give you some salt. I guess it's because I'm in Canada. They know, just in case, I want to take it out on the winter roads. So this is the Model S. It looks really nice. Do the doors open on this one? Yes, they do. So you can see on the inside, you can see the wheels. The trunk opens up, which is cool. So you can see everything. It has the extra seats facing back. Dax, last podcast, speaking of Dax, on our last podcast we talked about the potential Model Y having seats like this. But anyway, you can actually see on the screen they have Google Maps and music playing. And spin it around. I always check, but I haven't seen any that have it yet. Oh, look, check this out. The front opens up. So we need to print out, I need to print out a 3D dog and put it in the frunk and submit it to Frunk Puppy Friday. So anyway, this is the Model S. It looks really, really nice. The full glass roof and everything else. It is spectacular. So up next we have the Model 3. So we don't have the card here this time, so I guess it's buried inside. Okay, this one was a little bit harder to take out, so they taped it up on this side here, and then this side wasn't moving, so we had to open it up on both sides. This one also comes with this little Tesla thing, so the last one came with it. The Semi and the Roadster did not, so I'm not sure exactly what they're for. I guess it's for display purposes. I'll figure that out shortly. Alright, so here is the Model 3. And we're going to lift it out. And here it is. So it looks really, really nice. And I'll explain to you my color selection choices afterwards once I have them all open. I really struggled to get the front and the doors open on this one. And I'm doing this all live for you guys, very little editing occurring. So the doors do open. The other door was like kind of stuck, so I'm putting my finger through. So anyway, yeah, here you go. Now you can see it. So you can see on the inside we have map set, we have the navigation, then we have our trunk, and we have our frunk. So here it is, fully opened up, which looks really, really sharp. I want to see something real quick. Let's see if we can determine what's on the screen. So maybe from the passenger side. So they're going 51. You can kind of see a map and navigation set, so on and so forth. So every detail is covered right down to all the details on the door. I didn't really notice it on the S. What's the plate on the S? This one says Model 3, and then that one says Model S. So they keep consistency. By like feel, it is much heavier. This is the Model X. I think this is the heaviest of the 5. But we'll see. So, let's see it. First time looking at it, like you guys. And so this is the little pry tool that it comes with. None of the other models, and you can see I have all of them, came with this. This is to help you open up the doors, which is kind of cool. So let's take a look at the Model X. Yeah, this one's definitely heavier. And let's see if we can open it all up. So there is the frunk. There is the falcon door wings opening up. So that looks really, really cool. And of course we can open up the front door like so. And of course they have it as Model X just to match the rest. And the trunk that opens up. And there it is in all its glory, the Model X. So we have one thing left to do. We got to reopen up the Roadster, the Semi. We're going to put them all together. I'll explain to you my color selection reasoning. Alright, so here is the whole collection in all its glory. All of them. Huge thanks to the number of people, there's quite a few of you, who reached out and told me how to open the doors and the fact that they do open, because I didn't cover this in my last video, so it is pretty cool that these open up. So here is the full entire set of Tesla Diecasts. Currently, still waiting for the Cybertruck and the Model Y. However, I think purchasing them now going forward will be a little bit cheaper rather than buying them all in one go. So, why did I pick the colors that I did? Okay, so up first is the Semi. The Semi and the Roadster, there wasn't much choice. So, these are the colors that you got. You didn't get an opportunity to pick other colors like you could for the S, the 3, or the X. So, this is the color I got, and this is the color I got. They both look really nice. I'm happy with what I received. Let's go over here, and let's look at S, 3, and X. Let's first look at the 3. Why did I get the red 3? Well, obviously Mother Frunker, the original Mother Frunker, is red. So I want to get a red one. And also, the showroom always featured a red car. So before I picked mine up, all the showrooms that were displaying them before like the wide release in Canada of Model 3s, they were always red. So that's why I got a red Model 3 here. And then using the same concept, I went with the white Model X because all the showrooms that I've ever been to always display and show a white Model X. And then, again, they always display a black Model S. So, all in all, I am very, very happy to say that I got all of the Diecasts. Huge shout out to my friend Tesla Talks Dax for helping me get these a little quicker. I was planning on making the purchase like slowly, but I didn't really expect to get 100 likes on that video, and Dax kind of pushed it forward a little bit quicker. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. If you would have chose a different color, which one would you have picked? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like on the video. If we get 100 likes on this video, there's nothing left to buy. I have them all. So make sure to subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content. And most importantly, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.